So the Tronsmart Mirtune H1 is here, and it is a speaker that looks a lot like a JBL clip, but it luckily does sound a bit better overall. For example, it has some bass performance. It is also pretty heavy because it does have a pretty alright battery inside. And the funny thing with the speaker as well is that you have app support with the Tronsmart app. So this means you have custom EQ possibilities, but also you can see the battery like really 100%, but also software updates are possible with this app. So this does make the speaker, I would say, pretty cool. And one thing that really surprised me with this Tronsmart speaker is that it's probably the best built Tronsmart speaker out there, because it feels great, it feels solid. The overall detail on the buttons and everything, it's been done pretty nicely. It's really high quality, even I would say a bit above JBL. And like the only thing that I don't like that much is the logo here in the front. It does kill a bit this pretty good build quality and design. I do think they should have a new logo, especially with something with a T, because this, it's a bit confusing. But yeah, overall, it's a pretty solid speaker. And even the audio performance, I was a bit surprised about, because it does have a bit of a bass performance. Of course, don't expect too much of this, but it is pretty decent. And with custom EQ, you can make it a bit better on lower volume, but sadly with custom EQs, if you put it then on higher volume, it does have the tendency to overpower itself a bit. So yeah, for loud volume usage, the best is just a normal EQ. So let's just go to some audio samples I did from the speaker, straight out of the box. So no EQs or anything have been used. Let's go into it.
I used to breathe in darkness, but hunger never disappeared, 'cause the memories return to ashes. Oh, still floating, but I won't surrender to the tide inside of me. 'Cause we are the party pioneers. Party pioneers. Quiera la ocasión así la aprovechar. Le llega heavy, hoy no va a portarme bien. Toca pedir y me vacila tiente bien. Ahora es tu si restrega constantemente. She's smoking glass, casi que rats. Mi nombre por tu ciudad. Baby, sigue que lo escuche el vecino de atrás. Let's hop and crash. Y sus preguntas la que hay. She want it, I got it, acabo de fixar. Let's put it back. La partidita al solitario, era todo.